Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will be covering data transformation in Power BI. And by the end of this session, you will understand how to clean, reshape, and prepare your data for analysis. You will learn how to fix errors, remove unwanted data, and structure your data set properly. Let's get started. You are welcome to Power BI. This section, data transformation. We will look at Power Query in Power BI. From the Excel, we did Power Query. That's why I had to do Power Query. It's not necessarily something I would have taught you in Excel, but just to give you that confidence when you are moving to Power BI. You already have knowledge of Power Query. So Power BI has inbuilt Power Query, like built-in Power Query in it. So look at how to get data, creating new columns, data types, filtering data, loading data into model for your analysis. So let's get started. I'm going to open Power BI. I'll launch Power BI. All right, here we are. I'll go to blank report. So go to get data. We have Excel workbook, Power BI cinematic models. We have different data sources. Depending on the format of your data, you just pick it. Mine is in CSV format, so I'm going to choose text/CSV. Now locate your data. So this is the data I'm going to make use of. I'll now click on open. So select it. I'll now click open. You allow it to load. You can see this is a preview of the data. The data in preview has been truncated due to size limit. So it's not going to show everything, but once you load it to model, you see everything. But if you have some cleaning to do, some transformations to do, just come to transform data. So which is what we are going to look at, transform data. So it's going to open the Power Query editor for you. You can see Power Query editor, the built-in Power Query editor in Power BI. So I will now look at creating new columns, data types, filtering data. Just like you learn in Power BI, if you come to add column, you can create custom column, conditional column, you can create it. So we just create a custom one like we did. Let's say I want to create a column. Let's say I want to call this country. Then I'll populate it with Nigeria. I'll click on OK. You can see now we have a column known as country. That means that everyone here they are from Nigeria. Data types. Just by default, Excel can try its best to give you the best, a perfect data type, but if you feel like you want to make some changes, you can do. Also like the sales amount, can change it to look as if we are dealing with money. This one is already in whole number, which is perfect. So, and now if I change this one to a wrong data type, everything, let's say I change it to whole numbers, it's showing error because that is a wrong data type. So I'll now change it to text. So what again? Let's look at filtering data. Okay, I can just like in Excel, like your table, a table has a filter button already. So you can click here. I will select for only male. Then that means I'll filter female out. If I just want to do this analysis for only the male, I can do that. If it's only the female, I can do that. But I want to do for the both, so just select all. So now we are done. A lot to do depending on the type of cleaning you want to do. So come back to home. I'll now say close and apply. I want to load, which is the last thing here, loading data into model. That's what I want to do. I'll come to home and say, click on the drop down, close and apply. So the data is being loaded to model for your analysis. You can see load. Just give it time. 100 rows loaded, so it's successful. Once you see build visuals with your data, it means that your data has been successfully loaded to the model. If you look at this panel, you see this is your data. You can expand it. You see your headers, everything. So that is it about data transformation in Power BI. With this session, you've been able to now understand Power Query in Power BI, how to get data, filter it, do your transformation, and now load it into the model.